Okay, sailors, back again for clip number 2 on this Monday morning, July 15th, as we're heading up the Cape Fear River. Thought I'd show you this because we have a really nice 2 to 3 foot swell that's pushing us up the river along with the tide and the current. I shouldn't say that. Along with the current caused by the tide. So the wind and the current again in our favor, and the swell just kind of a little icing on the cake as it pushes us kind of galloping up the river here. Again, this would be sloppy if we were going into it, but we're not. So that's all that matters. And let me give you another shot of the tugs as they come up on us. Cape Fear River. A couple hours to go up this river before we cut back into the intercoastal, but it is a wide river. And back to our red that we're heading for now. One more clip this morning to show you an up close of the tugs, so stand by. This is the sailing vessel Vente Day, Whiskey Tango Hotel, 3077 out.